Maximize your earnings now. Whether you're writing captivating articles, creating engaging videos, teaching others, starting your blog, or launching a news-related business, we've got the tips you need to supercharge your income. Don't wait. Start today. Maximizing your earnings with Google News. These methods for monetizing Google News are just the beginning. By adding your creativity and determination to the mix, you can substantially boost your income through this platform. Here are 5 more tips to keep in mind. First, consistency is key. Regularly publishing new content is vital to attract readers and advertisers. Prioritize quality over quantity when crafting your content. It should be well-written, informative, and captivating. Once you've created exceptional content, effective promotion is crucial. Show off your work on social media, email marketing, and other avenues. It's essential to be patient, as substantial earnings and business success through Google News take time to materialize. Lastly, ensure you're having fun along the way. If you're not enjoying the process, your chances of success may be diminished. So stay committed, enjoy the journey, and watch your earnings grow. Now that we've covered various ways to supercharge your income, let's explore some practical steps to make it happen. Number 1, creating engaging and informative articles. If you're passionate about writing, consider delving into the world of article creation by drawing inspiration from the latest news on platforms like Google News. Many websites offer compensation for well-written, informative articles, and you can boost your earnings by ensuring your content is not just informative, but also high quality and well-researched. Whether you're submitting an article to a blog, website, or magazine, articles are a great way to spread your thoughts and ideas to a wider audience. To create articles that resonate with readers, choose a topic that ignites your passion. Conduct thorough research to maintain accuracy and gain fresh insights. Craft a clear and concise introduction that captures the reader's attention. Organize your thoughts for a coherent structure, and importantly, proofread diligently to eliminate grammatical and spelling errors. Additionally, using vivid language and strong verbs, avoiding jargon, implementing subheadings, incorporating visuals, and promoting your articles on various platforms can further enhance your writing's appeal and reach. Transforming from creating engaging articles, let's shift our focus to the realm of teaching for personal and world growth. Number 2, teaching for personal and world growth. Sharing your knowledge about the news and offering courses or online tutoring can be a fulfilling endeavor. By teaching others, you not only help them learn, but also enjoy various advantages yourself. First, teaching promotes deep learning and enhances your understanding of the subject matter. It also sharpens your communication skills, both spoken and written, aiding in public speaking and clear concept explanation. Teaching boosts your confidence and self-esteem as you convey your expertise. Additionally, it develops leadership skills, including motivation, task delegation, and time management. Most importantly, teaching makes a positive impact on the world by enabling others to learn and grow. If you're seeking personal growth and a chance to influence the world, consider teaching through tutoring, mentoring, volunteering, or creating educational content like blogs or podcasts. Remember to be well prepared, enthusiastic, patient, flexible, and rewarding to make your teaching experience successful and enjoyable. Moving on from teaching, let's explore another avenue to boost your income, starting your blog for profit. But wait, if you've enjoyed this video so far and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Number 3, starting your blog for profit. Creating a blog about current news and earning money through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing is an excellent way to express your thoughts and make some extra income. To get started with your blogging journey, first select a suitable platform like WordPress or Blogger, then acquire web hosting for storing your blog's files. Choose a catchy and relevant domain name, design your blog to your liking with themes and widgets, and start writing engaging content. Promoting your blog on websites and social media will help you get more viewers. Find your niche and focus on topics you're passionate about. Create high-quality content with visuals and promote your blog through various channels. Patience is crucial, as building a successful blog takes time, so keep writing and promoting while enjoying the process. Shifting gears once more, we'll venture into the exciting world of creating engaging videos from Google News. Number 4, creating engaging videos from Google News. Another way to earn money through Google News is by creating videos about current news topics. Sharing videos on YouTube or other video sharing sites is allowed, and you can make money from ads or sponsorships. Videos are a great way to connect with your audience, whether you're humoring them, telling them a story, or breaking down a complicated idea. When making your videos, it's essential to plan. Determine your message, audience, and the tone you want to convey before you start. Collect the necessary materials such as footage, music, and sound effects, ensuring you have permission to use copyrighted content. The editing process involves removing unnecessary parts, adding transitions, and incorporating text and graphics. Music and sound effects can enhance the video's appeal. Once you're satisfied, export your video in a shareable format. Here are 5 more tips for creating videos. Opt for high-quality footage or compensate with good lighting and a tripod. Keep videos short, around 3 minutes. Use strong visuals. Incorporate storytelling. And be authentic to connect with your audience personally. Finally, let's transition to the entrepreneurial side of things as we discuss starting your news-related business. Number 5, starting your news-related business. If you've got a compelling business idea related to the news, taking the entrepreneurial plunge can be both challenging and rewarding. To embark on this journey, there are 5 crucial points to bear in mind. First, diligent research is essential to ascertain the market demand for your product or service, analyze competitors, and understand gaps in the market. Secondly, a well-structured business plan serves as your guiding roadmap, outlining goals, strategies, and how to achieve them, which is invaluable for attracting investors and tracking business growth. Building the right team is a pivotal step. Surround yourself with dedicated individuals who share your vision and passion. As starting a business can be financially demanding, exploring diverse financial options like loans, grants, or crowdfunding is crucial to securing the necessary capital. Once your product or service is ready, effective marketing strategies encompassing advertising, public relations, and social media will ensure that your business reaches its target audience. While launching a business requires substantial effort, it is an avenue through which dreams can be realized. Are you excited to explore new opportunities to maximize your earnings through Google News? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon to turn on notifications to stay updated with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.